Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth keeps disconnecting in Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S23 Plus and you're facing the issue that in your phone your Bluetooth is keeping disconnecting, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, just go to the control center and enable and disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings, so it might help you to fix your issue. If your issue still persists, go to settings here, scroll down, go to software update. Make sure that you're up to date. Your phone might have an impending software update here. And once you have done, just go back from here, go to connections, and here go to more connection setting. Make sure that nearby device scanning is enabled. Then just go back, go to Bluetooth, and here you can look for your device, or you can also try to disable and re-enable your Bluetooth. If your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. Just scroll down the control center and here click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again to make a restart with your phone, because sometimes it might be that there will be any software glitch or any temporary issue which is keeps disconnecting your Bluetooth. So you have to make a restart with your phone, and after restarting your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go ahead to your settings here, just scroll down, go to general management, go to reset here, just go to reset network settings or reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Click on reset settings and your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be resetted. For you have to remember that if you have any seed Wi-Fi passwords, so you can make a backup of them, because it will also remove your Wi-Fi passwords. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed. Now you can easily use your Bluetooth without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.